We don't write songs, we prompt with flair. A good prompt makes the superstar.
Hi, today I want to show you how to do a fake clay animation, also known as claymation. Some of you might have already seen the video I just showed you in the intro. Recently I've done a music video and that was part of it. This is the one I did in the music video. Today I want to use this image as input image and use stable diffusion to convert it in this like a play-doh creation. What I have done is I used the ControlNet candy. I want to show you some of the parameter I have used because it's quite hard to get the hairs like this. I use a text to image and the prompt is showing kind of rough sculpture modeling in play-doh. So what I've done is I've flattened the color curve of the image to make it less detailed. Of course you can play around with the threshold here, low and high threshold. At the moment I put it at 50 and 91 to reduce the details. I've changed the resolution to 360. The default value is 512. And what is happening is you can see if I zoom in, then I've got very blocky lines here. And to avoid the blocky line in the end result, I stop the ControlNet at 0.8. Of course, this is still not guarantee what I want. I've run a few images. Some of them I still get very fine hairs here, like this one. And some of them I got something at my front head. I don't know why. You can see the hairs are very fine as well. That's not what I want. So you have to try it and run it a few times to get something like this here. The next step is to use this image and go to hedra website. I've done another video for this. Basically what's happening here, you put an image and an audio file and the AI software will generate a video lip sync with the audio file. I've already done this and I can show you the video here.
I killed the video star. Gone are the days of filming on VCR.
Okay, that's not too bad. Now we got the video, just download it. Okay, now let's open DaVinci Resolve. I'm using the version 19 build 43. And let's drop the video on the timeline. Okay, I don't want to change the frame rate. My project frame rate is 25 per second. And now let's go to OpenFX and search for stop motion. And just drag and drop the effect here. You will see there's a frame repeat. I just leave it at 5. Let's try to play it.
I killed the video star. Gone are the days of filming on VCR. We don't write songs, we prompt with flair. A good prompt makes the superstar.
Okay, that's not too bad. And that's very easy to do. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's just a very short video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Well, there are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.